Hello guys, I'm back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert audio message to text on Telegram. So if you want to convert your voice messages to text message in the Telegram or WhatsApp, this video is absolutely for you. So for that you have to just simply open up first of Telegram. So by just opening up Telegram, I'm just gonna show you something. Here you guys can see Telegram is not available in my country. So what you have to do is simply don't worry about it. I'm gonna tell you the method. By following that, you will be able to convert your audio message to text on Telegram. So for that, you have to just simply open up any of your browser first. So after opening up any of your browser first, you have to just simply go to any of your browser. So I'm just opening up any of my browser. So in your browser, you have to just simply search for transcribeme.app. So I'm just doing some text for you. Hi bro, welcome back. So what you have to do is simply search for transcribeme.app and simply open up the first website, which is transcribeme.app. So after opening up this website will ask you for two bots, the one for WhatsApp and second for Telegram. So what you have to do is simply select any of them according to your needs. If you want for Telegram, you guys can just search for Telegram. If you want for WhatsApp, I'm just going for WhatsApp because Telegram is banned in my country. So what you have to do is simply click on the icon and click on use WhatsApp Messenger. So you guys can see it is redirecting us to a bot. So it is method is same for Telegram as well. So you will be redirected to Telegram channel, and after that you have to simply forward that specific voice message which you want to transcribe. So I'm just transcribing a single message. So after that I'll just try to show you how you can convert audio message to text. So after searching that, you have to simply search for voice message. Admit it will take some time, and this bot will try to. You guys can see here it has tried to transcribe, which I have, which I have done in my voice message. So you guys can see the accuracy of this. So this is so much amazing. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.